Alright guys, we're going to repair a broken spark plug wire today. This piece of metal was stuck onto the spark plug. Spark plug wire came off like this. So you could just buy a new set of wires, but let's say your wires were practically new like this one, and it broke off easy. All the other wires, no problems. This one broke off easy for some reason, like it wasn't crimped very well or something. But anyways, here's where the old piece was stuck in there. I just opened up the crimp with a flathead screwdriver. So what we want to do is re-crimp it on here. There's racing wires you can put together and stuff with instructions, but this is just a regular spark plug wire. So we got our boot off. Our boot was stuck on there like this. So you can just twist this boot and pull it off. But what we want to do is press that wire all the way through. I got a little bit of tire butter on this. Soapy water will work. Let me get some more of that. All right. I coated this whole boot in that tire butter. It's like soapy water. That way it gets on the inside. Now I'm wiping out the outside because this stuff is super slippery. You want to be able to feed that wire through. So we're feeding it through. You can see it comes out the other end. Perfect. Now, what you want to do is fold this little node over. And my hands are shaking, it's so hot today. What I'm going to do is trim off this little this white plastic insulation. That's what we need to do. So that the crimp, it folds over like that. We might be able to do it without trimming that. Yeah. There we go. Now that the inside where the electricity goes through is folded over inside of this. So when I crimp it, it'll be tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and crimp that with some pliers real quick. Got some pliers. See, this crimp is on the outside black plastic. That's where it's tight, where it's going to stay tight. So we're just going to smash that in there. And it's tight now. Now we got to bring our boot back over until it bottoms out. See, it just pulled off. I didn't have it crimped tight enough. But you get the idea. So to get it crimped tight enough, I am going to have to trim this plastic a little bit so I can get a really nice crimp on it. And then that boot pulls tight, bottoms out on this boot, and we can put the spark plug back on. That's how you do it if you don't want to run to the parts store and you got some good wires. They're not ready to be changed yet. Like if you're diagnosing a misfire and you need to pull the wire off, check the plug, check compression, and this happens, just put it back together in 5 minutes. All right, see ya.